Hi, I'm Monty Baker, and I live here in DuBois, Wyoming. I have owned this store 23 years. Went to college, got 4 other degrees in sciences, and 2 of my degrees were in electrical engineering and physics. My master's was in robotics and optics. So I could have worked for corporate America or government contractors, building lasers, building robots. But I grew up here in DuBois. I loved engineering. What I love more than anything is my family. Campfires 10 minutes away and roasting hot dogs and marshmallows and catching frogs with my kids. Whereas if I was the engineer, I was gonna have to commute 2 hours to work, 5 lanes of 9-0 stress traffic, and frankly, having grown up here, I just wasn't interested in moving there. So I'm doing what I do best.